Hello, this is Christopher Aaron. This is a special alert, silver to $100. That is what we are going to be talking about today. And I'm going to show you how you can double your money in silver right now. That is coming in the second half of this video. It's January 6th, 2026. Let's get into it. I hope you had a nice new year. Here is silver 1970 to present. And we are talking about this breakout right here, the big break above $50 per ounce. Now, in price analysis, when we have a 45-year consolidation like this, what we can do to measure an initial target only, is to take the amplitude of the widest part of the consolidation here, $46, and we can add this onto the breakout point of 50, yielding an official target of $96. $96 is close enough to 100 that I think when we get to 96, it's only going to be a day or two until silver gets up to 100. And then we're going to be having the discussion, what happens after silver gets into the triple digits. I mean, just a few weeks ago, no one ever would have believed that silver was going to be getting into the triple digits. We're almost there. Silver is just below $80 per ounce. We're almost there. Our official target is 96. That should get us to 100. And then we talk about what's coming next. I want to let you know I'm going to be speaking live in person in Vancouver, British Columbia, coming up Monday, January 26th at the VRIC, the Vancouver Resource Investment Conference. I'll be speaking at 1:40 p.m. Make sure to come by. There will be new information presented there that you have never seen before in these YouTube videos. So here is our official outlook for silver. $100 per ounce is coming. And now I want to show you how you can double your money in silver literally right now. I am not joking. This is how. There is a company that I know of that I am investing in. The name is SPRUCE Resources right here. SSE is the ticker in Canada, SSEBF. And SPRUCE Resources they closed at 21 cents today, okay? 21 cents per share. I have negotiated to buy shares at 10 cents per share. That is a 110% gain just to start. If you can buy shares at 10 cents per share and then the market is trading at 21 cents per share, you have more than doubled your money just to start in silver spruce. I'm going to tell you how this is possible. Yes, this is real. No, this is not a scam. Yes, this is all legal. If you want to join us, I'll give you details at the end of this broadcast. The other thing that you get if you join us in investing in silver spruce is a full warrant. One full warrant per share, good at 15 cents, 3 years from the closing. So let's talk about that. What that means is that you have on a $10,000 investment, which is the minimum Canadian, you have a $15,000 profit just to start. $15,000. I am not joking. This is what I'm doing with my own money. And no, they are not paying me to say this. If you want to participate with us, the deadline to register to get this $15,000 profit to start is this Wednesday, January 7th. You've got to register for our program called Elite Private Placements. Elite Private Placements. And I'll be talking about that more in the next few minutes. Okay, Silver Spruce, let's talk about their actual operations. Pino de Plata is their flagship project there in Mexico. And the big thing to understand about Pino, which is right here, is that it's only 15 kilometers away from Core Mining's. Core is a major large cap mining company that has their flagship Palmarejo mine right here, 15 kilometers away. And Palmarejo is a major production. They produced 6.8 million ounces of silver in 2024 and over 100,000 ounces of gold. And here you can see their reserve and their resource statements. So this is the neighboring Palmarejo mine, and that's only 15 kilometers away from Pino de Plata. Now, this property, which currently overlaps Palmarejo, was actually bought by Core Mining for $146 million in 2015. Right there, you can see it. They bought this San Miguel property right there, and you can see the text there, the details of that purchase. Remember, that's when silver was only $15 per ounce. Right now, silver is $80 per ounce. And what I'm saying is Silver Spruce is working on securing this property right here, Pino de Plata, okay? Think about the potential here. Here is the visual, Pino de Plata, and here you can see the tailings and the open pit in this direction of Core's Palmarejo mine. You can see that right here, and you can see it's only 10 miles away from Silver Spruce's Pino de Plata mine. So this is a major opportunity here. Here you can see some of the old mine workings that they have on the Pino de Plata project. They have mined before and successfully extracted silver in the past from this property. If you look at what this company is accomplishing now, 15 kilometers away from Palmarejo, it's a nearly 400 hectare property. They've got the purchase agreement all set. They are currently negotiating with the landowner to get rights to this property. That is supposed to be ongoing this week coming up. And if that is successful, they will start drilling here. Let's move back. They will start drilling. They already have 30 pads approved to drill going back to 2018. So they will start drilling here over the next year. And here you can see some of the early targets that they have. 1,278 grams per ton of silver equivalent here at the El Terrero target in Pino de Plata. Here you can see another example, 250 grams per ton at the Serpi vein. In this vein here, you can see where they formerly mined for silver. All this is good, but the thing that matters most is how to double your money in silver right now. And that's what I'm trying to explain to you guys. We have locked in to buy shares of Silver Spruce at 10 cents per share right down here. The company is currently trading at 21 cents per share. You can see it right up here where my mouse is. I'm showing you right here on this chart. From 10 cents to 21 cents, where the market is currently trading, we already have a 110% profit on this. We have more than doubled our money. But to do that, you have to participate with me in the private placement. Because if you buy shares in the open market, which, yes, I would do if I didn't own any shares at all. But if you buy shares in the open market, you'll be buying at the current share price. Remember that. We have locked in here to buy shares at 10 cents per share, which means we have doubled our investment just to start. If this company just gets back to the recent initial resistance levels that it traded at over the last 3 years, that is going to end up being a 550% gain for us, including the warrants that we get in this investment, because we're buying so cheap right here. This is incredible. Get this. If the stock gets right back up here, closer to some of the recent peaks from the last several years, this will be a 1,966% gain. Think about that. If you invest with us $10,000 to get at our locked-in price, think about how much that will become for you with nearly a 2,000% gain. I am not joking about this. We have this locked in. We are already up 150% on Silver Spruce. If you would like to participate, you must register for our program called Elite Private Placements by this Wednesday, January 7th. I am holding a few slots only for new investors. This is going to fill up very quickly, so make sure you get registered for our program by this Wednesday, and then you can participate. If you would like to take a look at our track record over the last 2 years, we have a 100% success rate with an average gain of 160%. Are you kidding me? We are blowing it out of the park. We are already up over 100% on Silver Spruce. There are only a few slots remaining. Get them while you can. If you're not ready to invest the minimum $10,000, which is what's required, 10,000 Canadian for Silver Spruce, and you would like to join us for our flagship research service, that's where we publish all the open market buy and sell decisions that we are making right here. You get all the trades, all the flash updates right to your inbox, all the analysis of gold, silver, the mining sector, platinum, palladium, copper, oil, the stock market, Bitcoin, everything. Join us for Precious Metals Intelligence Plus if you're not ready for Silver Spruce on its own. Remember, you can always sit down and book a consultation with myself, Christopher Aaron. I am 100% independent. I take no fees from any of the companies, not even Silver Spruce. I am 100% independent so that I can give you realistic and accurate information about your situation if you book a consultation. Think about it. The deadline for Silver Spruce, it's already up 150%. That is $15,000 on your investment just to start. Deadline Wednesday, January 7th.